For decades, the standard vacuum tube has been a reliable solution in various applications. It is a fundamental component in many industrial and engineering processes, offering durability and a well-balanced design. A standard vacuum tube consists of 1 millimeter thick wall, providing strength and rigidity, an internal diameter calculated as the screw head diameter plus 2 millimeters, allowing a secure fit around fasteners and components. Despite its advantages, the standard vacuum tube has a downside: interference. The thicker walls take up extra space, making installation difficult in compact environments. Unlike the 1 millimeter thick standard tube, the zero thickness vacuum tube has an ultra-thin or nearly non-existent wall, minimizing interference while maintaining its essential functionality. Its diameter is precisely equal to the screw head diameter. No extra space, no unnecessary bulk.